What's the most incredible weed-cutting machine you've ever seen? Forget ordinary lawnmowers or hours of manual labour. This machine was built from scrap metal and transformed into a powerful rotary cutter capable of clearing thick weeds with astonishing speed. The project begins with careful precision. Metal plates are drilled, and every hole must be perfectly aligned, because even the slightest error would cause dangerous vibration once the machine reaches more than 800 revolutions per minute. After drilling, each hole is enlarged, chamfered and polished until the surfaces are perfectly smooth. Next comes the suspension system. Springs, steel plates and heavy-duty bolts are assembled to create a shock-absorbing frame that keeps the machine stable during high-speed operation. Every connection is carefully tightened, because stability is essential for both performance and safety. Attention then shifts to the cutting system. Old circular saw blades are restored by sharpening every tooth until they become razor-sharp once again. A threaded shaft and adjustable spacers are installed to position each blade with perfect spacing before the assembly is securely locked into place. Instead of buying expensive parts, the builder cleverly recycles old aluminium alloy wheel rims. The rims are cut into sections and welded to steel square tubing, creating a strong cylindrical housing for the blade assembly. Bright welding sparks fill the workshop as every joint is reinforced to withstand the enormous centrifugal forces generated during rotation. Heavy-duty bearing housings are then installed, followed by the main spindle. Once assembled, the entire cylinder spins freely and smoothly. One by one, 24 sharpened saw blades are mounted around the cylinder, each positioned at the exact angle needed for balanced cutting. Every bolt is carefully checked, because even a single loose fastener could become extremely dangerous at full speed. To ensure maximum precision, the builder measures the rotating assembly and adjusts it until the runout is reduced to just 0.1 millimeters, a level close to professional machining standards. After one final inspection, every nut is tightened and secured. The finished cutting drum resembles a ring of razor-sharp teeth ready for work. The first test is impressive. The machine starts slowly before accelerating beyond 800 revolutions per minute. Within seconds, the individual blades disappear into a bright silver blur. Even after several minutes of continuous operation, there is almost no vibration, unusual noise, or sign of instability. A remarkable achievement for a machine built largely from recycled materials. Now comes the real challenge. The machine is transported to an overgrown field where thick weeds have taken over the landscape. Two operators carefully position the cutter, adjust its support legs, and put on safety goggles and hearing protection before starting the engine. At first, only a gentle hum can be heard. Then, within seconds, the spinning blades begin slicing through dense vegetation with incredible efficiency. Tall weeds collapse instantly without wrapping around the blades or slowing the machine. Grass clippings scatter through the air, while an 80-centimetre wide path is cleared with every pass. Even in the thickest patches, the cutter maintains a steady pace, leaving behind clean, level ground where knee-high weeds stood only moments before. The dramatic before and after transformation clearly demonstrates the power of smart engineering, careful craftsmanship, and creative recycling. If you enjoyed watching this amazing DIY machine come to life, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more incredible engineering projects, creative inventions, and powerful machine builds. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next.